Okay, guys, I will be brush coating this tangent that I have previously coated with gloss. I will be coating it with chrome, my brush on chrome process. It's called EZKrome. As you can see, the tangent, just the armor and the dragons have been coated with glossy black. The rest is just regular black. All right, I'll go ahead and do this. Let's watch the magic. Just watch how it's immediately turns into chrome. This is the chrome paint that I've made. It's called EZKrome. You cannot get any easier than that. You cannot go too much. There's no such a thing as too much chrome because it will get only better. So there's no overdoing it. It will just get better. Let's go here. On the side. Now this is a thick brush. I've been trying to find smaller brushes, like half inch, a quarter inch. This is a 1 inch brush, but I have not been able to find it. I will include the small brushes on the kit that along with the big brushes. Along with the big brushes, I will include them in the kit that I'm assembling. So you guys can do small detail work, or the big brush, so you can chrome or do touch up on the actual chrome items. Okay, okay. Look at this. Look how nice that look. Like really, really, really good. Okay, guys, this is EZKrome brush on chrome. You can brush it, which is very cool. You don't need an airbrush, but if you have an airbrush, you can also brush it. Airbrush it. All right, thank you.